Hi, let me show you how to add an image into another image using clipping mask. I have the car image here. I want to put a road image inside the shape of this car. So I use the lasso tool and refine edge to cut out this car from this picture. I will leave a link on a YouTube card for my other video about how to do that. So here is the cutout image of the car. So now I want to add the road car inside this one. So what you do is you go to File, Open and Place, and find the picture that you want to place inside. Here it is. I want this road inside this car. So just make the image bigger that you want to put inside, and make sure the image that you want showing inside to be on the top layer. So the top layer is the image of the road. The second layer is the car, which is only we are taking the shape of. And the last layer for me here is the background. So once you have that, just right click on the road image, which you want inside, and click on Clipping Mask. And then once it's done, you can use the Move tool to move the image inside it and put it however you want. And also here, if you change the opacity, you can bring a little of the car as much as you want. You want to bring a lot, or you want to bring little of it. And that's how to use the clipping mask to create this effect in Photopea. If you want more helpful tips on how to use Photopea to edit photos, you can get my free guide, which I will leave a link for in the description of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.